Okay, so
It's your thing.
today we're basically going to be eating these as quickly as possible. They're both the same, Lindt gold milk chocolate bunnies. Yeah, so
Mine's prettier.
yeah, she's got a prettier one. She's got actual flowers. So what we're going to do is, so to make it even, we're going to unravel them. That is a terrible bow.
You need a girl hand.
Yeah, girl hand. Right, so let's just quickly unravel them, and then before we start, we'll count down from 3, and then we'll just chow down. And whoever can chow down the bunny quickest wins. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Get that rubbish out of the way. Right, so.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers, right. 3, 2, 1. There we go. See? I told her I could beat her, but she didn't listen. She still wanted to challenge me.
He just has a bigger mouth.
Bigger mouth always wins. Also, I love chocolate. Can't really complain.
It's really thick though. I think this is a bit unfair.
Mine was just as thick. I had the same bunny.
Okay, so just so you know, guys, I won the Easter egg competition.
Yeah, she had to get that in.
It's only 1-1, so there has to be a third challenge, otherwise it's a deal breaker. We're both even.
What would be the third challenge? We've got nothing else to challenge at the moment. I didn't cheat. I just took really big bites.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, everyone!